Hello, I'm Daniel Morales, and my app is called Timely Days. So my app aims to solve the issue of motivation within the student and learning community, especially nowadays with some schools still remaining remote. This is probably one of the biggest issues with remote learning. So firstly, a little bit about me. I'm a sophomore, and I know for a fact I want to major in computer science in the future. And I believe that this app will help people to maintain an organized schedule, remain punctual, and be motivated in these hard times. So I hope that people will be able to use this to ease the stress that comes with procrastination as well. So I'm excited to share it with you today. So examples of people who could use this app vary between age groups. My app is aims to reach younger audiences and people who are in school. However, um, as you could see through this example, someone such as John, who's 36, is they could find use through it by using my application as a means of organizing things in a visual manner. And so now we'll get into the specifics. So essentially, here's just well, once the video loads. So this would just be an onboarding screen where you're able to be introduced to the app. I apologize, it's taking a while to load. So again, here's the splash screen. And here's the welcome screen again. So you can log in, sign up, or continue as a guest. And as I had previously stated, this demo, we'll log in as guest. Yeah, just log in using our credentials. So I'll just type my username and then now my password. All right, so here's the main screen where you could create a task, select the start time, end time, and the date. And so what this app will do is it'll save this information. So in this case, I'll set the start time to 7:30 and the information updates. So for the end time, it'll be 9:30 p.m. And for the date, um, I had selected May 17th for this demo. And so upon clicking the submit button, we see that our task pops up under here in the menu. And so now, alternatively, you could also just add other tasks such as sleep. So now I'll just modify the times to demonstrate that it's functioning. So I'll set the start time to 10:30 and the end time to 6:10 a.m. And I figure I'll keep the date the same. So yeah, once you hit submit button, we see that the sleep task also appears. And another feature I built in is that once you click on the task, it disappears. Um, and so for the profile icon on the top right, if you click on it, it allows you to confirm your username in order to log off. So I'll do that right here to demonstrate. And so here it takes you back to the welcome screen where you could choose from the three options. And so you may be wondering how this actually addresses the issue of motivation. Well, I had intended for the app to include a notification function where using the start time value, it would notify you through your text message. Um, and within that text message would be a motivational quote that would help to motivate you towards completing your task. So what I learned with Code Your Dreams, my favorite part of the program was being able to have the liberty to code almost anything we wanted to, as long as it aimed to solve a community problem. And in the future, I hope to be able to work on user-friendly apps using the information I learned regarding UI interfaces. And I'd like to thank my instructor because she really showed like interest in our apps, and particularly she helped me like try to figure out ways to implement the feature that I had mentioned using the phone number. So yeah, this has been my app Timely Days. Thank you.